when we see a question that says, write 124 as a product of its prime factors, we are looking at factor trees. And we're looking at prime numbers. And so the way that I draw my trees, if I don't automatically, if I can't see two numbers that multiply, big numbers that multiply together to make 124, I start with a 2, which I know is a prime number. 124 divided by 2, if you can't do that in your head, think about it as a bus stop. How many 2's go into 1? 0. How many 2's go into 12? 6. How many 2's go into 4? 2. Not a prime number. And actually that is a prime number. So to write this, we write it as 124 equals, now product means multiply. We take the 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 31, also known as 2 squared multiplied by 31, but this you do not need. The answer can be this or this and still get full marks.